Today's video is something special because after installing Windows 10, many of you get these problems. One of them is resolution. If you go to start menu and you see I have Windows 10 version, I got an update though, so awesome. So what happens is that this start menu blocks up everything because of the low resolution, and your mouse get cuts out on the edges. And to solve that, first you need these two, graphic properties and options. To get that, I'll leave a link in the description for your integrated graphics set. It should look something like this. Yep. Okay. Now go to graphic options, and if you see resolution, you won't see any changes there. Main thing is in graphic properties. Okay, so you go to display, and here also you don't see anything. Many people at this point quit, but here's it: custom resolutions. You go click yes and add your resolution. Let's say, for example, 1920 by 1080p, the full HD resolution, maybe. And I'll add it. Boom, gotcha. Let's add another one, say 1440 by 1080, 1024. That's a widescreen thing. And I have a widescreen PC, so I'll do that. I mean, I don't have a widescreen, sorry for that. And if you still close it and see, you will not get it. Many people at this time get disappointed. To solve that, just go to start button, power, and click restart. I'll restart my PC and catch you later. Okay, so we have our PC restarted, guys, and let's see. Just go right click, graphic properties, options, and resolution. Boom, you gotcha. Look at that, guys. Happy? Yeah, and that's like godly. Look at that. Sorry guys, my record doesn't support to actually change the resolutions, but as you can see, we got our high resolution there. And by now, if you see that, if I can just replace it to the outer edges, and yeah, I'm done. That's for it, guys, and thank you for watching. Please share this thing because it's important, and subscribe to me. Peace.